Guys, welcome back to another brand new Call of Duty Mobile video. As you know, the new season 7 has been launched in Call of Duty Mobile, and it's by far the best season in Call of Duty Mobile. And I am going to play. I am only going to play the search and destroy mode today, and I'm going to show you what is my loadout and why you should all use that loadout. And this is my loadout for the search and destroy class, the KN-44, and I'm going to show you the attachments and why I use it. And the muzzle is the OWC light compensator, and it's because the KN-44 has a little bit of recoil, and to control that recoil we are going to use this muzzle. And then for the perk, it's long shot, and it increases the damage rate significantly, and so that if I go into some long range gunfights I can win it. And the underbarrel is the strike foregrip, as it is the best of, by far it's the best one of all these foregrips. And the laser is MIP laser 5MW, and it increases the hip fire accuracy and sprint to sprint fire speed. The sprint to sprint fire speed is basically that if you run a lot and then if you start firing, the fire rate will be significantly buffed. And this is my class. This is my primary weapon, and then the MW11 pistol, and this is my class. As you can see it, it's by far the best class for search and destroy with a pistol. And then the thermite grenade. This is the newly launched grenade in this season. You need to unlock it by completing a series of challenges, and I have unlocked it. And then the perks. For the perks, we are going to be using lightweight, as you want to get to the the place where you plant the bomb first, and then the hardware, because you don't want to drive to any trip mines, and of course dead silence, because no one should hear you. This is my class, guys, and now we are going to play some search and destroy, and I'm going to try to win it and show you how this is better than the rest of the classes. And if you guys like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And please tell me what are your classes, and tell me what should I make the next video about. Let's see what map we get. Search and destroy high rise. It's a very long range map, so the KN-44 should be good in this map. And in this map, I think that we are going to be on the destroying the attacker side. Let's see about that. Guys, if you like my video, please make sure to like and subscribe, guys. I think we are going to be on the attacker side. No, we are on the defender side. Yeah, they are on the attacker side. I think that they're going to be going for B.
The enemy has the bomb.
We'll go A. The dead silence helps a lot in this round, in this type of match, because if the enemies can't hear you coming, it's a very big advantage. There's an enemy near me. The quality is very lagging right now, so I'm going to try to increase the quality of the video.
Changing back. It's all up to you now. Finish the mission.
The field will ready.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
Yeah, now we should be fine. See how we play this match.
Defend the objectives.
Yeah, that was good.
They have the bomb.
Going via this side.
Let's go this way.
And they have made a new change to the...
Targets in sight.
They made a new change to this dead silence class. And now even if you had slide, and then they could hear your footsteps. But now they cannot hear your footsteps, even if you slide. You have a sniper. Yeah, they are coming this way. Can hear footsteps.
They have the bomb.
I can hear footsteps. They're definitely coming. Yeah, they're here.
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
They're gonna be planting the bomb. Yeah, we got it. I need cover. Yeah. And the reason why I'm camping here is because if they try to plant the bomb or if they come there, you can hear it. And this is how the new thermite is. If anyone goes near there, they'll start burning. But the damage is very minimum. So you won't notice it that much. It goes away in a very short time. I think the other player's AFK. I'm going to be camping here.
Reloading.
And the death silence, as I told, is very helpful in this period. Yeah, we are going to win this round. Enemy bomb is just here.
I'm guarding this spot.
Yeah, that's. I think that we are going to win this match. Yeah,
The enemy has the bomb.
won this match. Yeah, he came so late.
Ready for the next round.
Yeah, we are 1v1.
Let's go this way. Defend the objective. They have the bomb.
And guys, by far the season 7 of Call of Duty Mobile is by far the best one. The battle pass is also very good. In this match also we are going to be camping here. There's someone near me. Smoke.
down. Need backup.
Yeah, I'm going to be camping here. Who's this guy? M16. Yeah, M16.
I'm down.
Yeah, he's right next to me. He's on the left.
Attacking from here.
Yeah, there are two left on their team. Yeah, one left. Oh, he's coming there. Yeah, I saw him.
Changing mag.
He's right there.
I got shot. Targets in sight.
Reload. Yeah, I got the final kill.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
If it wasn't for the thermite, then I wouldn't have got this kill. Yeah, guys, this is it.
Destroy the objective.
Yeah,
Bomb
they are one.
acquired.
Going to go by under the subway. Yeah, they won't be expecting me to come. Reason why I have a silencer on this pistol is that so that I won't appear as a big red circle on the enemy minimap. The guy on the left. Yeah, he's on the left. He's right there.
Sniper!
Yeah, I got him. He's the guy with the sniper. Go be. The KN-44 kills so amazingly fast with these new attachments, with the new gunsmith update. We won the match. Just one more round to go.
Ready for the next round.
Yeah, we are going to win this match. See how I told you that this loadout is the best. See, I got
Destroy the objective.
I got 5 kills and only 1 death. We have won 3 rounds and they have only won 1 round. Yeah. Guys, make sure to use this loadout as it's the best one for search and
Targets in
destroy.
sight. Get down, sniper!
Yeah, 3 kills. Got 3 kills right off the bat. Let's go to cover. And yeah, guys, that's it, guys. We have won this round. As I told you that this loadout is one of the best loadouts you can ever possibly have for search and destroy. And it's so amazing. The time to kill for this gun is so low with all these attachments, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below what is your loadout and how you think about this loadout. Bye guys, that's it for this video. See you in the next video.